Hi, my name is Renee Rosenberg, and I first heard Kelly actually at a National Speakers Association conference a year or maybe 2 years ago. She was on the main stage, and she was just wow. Really amazing. I think the entire audience, of which there were about 1,500 people, were just really amazed by her presentation and her storytelling. And then when I heard that she was coming to New York, I thought this is a great opportunity to really spend some time with Kelly and to really learn some of the techniques and some of the strategies she uses to present and to storytell. And so I just attended this workshop, Presentation Power Up, which was in New York City today on the 14th of August, and it was a 9 to 5 boot camp. And when I first heard about it, I thought to myself, 9 to 5, that's a lot of time to hear about presentation skills and storytelling. And now that it's finished, we just got out of the boot camp, we just finished after 5, and I don't know where the time went. It was like, it just went so quick. Kelly is just so engaging, and her storytelling and her technique and her giving and her sharing with all of us was just an amazing experience for me. So I've learned a great deal. I've learned that I really need to tell my characters better, to describe them so that people really can see them rather than tell people about them. And even though I do tell stories and I love storytelling, I've always felt there was something missing in my stories. And now, after today, I know what it was. And it is about describing the characters and being able to create more humor in my storytelling and in my presentations. So I recommend Kelly's workshop boot camps. If you get a chance, go and attend and meet Kelly and experience her live for a full day.